Hi, good morning. Today we discuss about a new functionality that we released in our ERP called production order. Production order is works similar to the work order model. The only difference in the typical work order, you have the mandatory fields to be added. Something like you have the operations and a work center, and in that we decide which item you are going to do, which finished bill of material, everything, right? So the few of the customers came back saying that it's always a problematic to have the operation work center to reconnect to the product, and it's pretty difficult. So the idea behind the production order is to put across to the facility where it is very easy for you to create a production order. Let us say I'll take one of the item 3.5. This is one of my base plate product, say 10 numbers, and you define the parent bill of material to this, right? So once you decide the parent bill of material, what you see the parent bill of material, and it's the bill of material that is used for the how much to produce and what are the action you want to do with. The advantage of this particular feature is it shows you all the drill down of the facility in front of you. If you look at here, MS steel is required to make a WIP1, WIP1 to WIP2 to the finished good. So the drill down feature, we found it's pretty easy, where it helps you to decide what activity you want to do. So the design is such that when you have the finished good is here with the bill of material in the condition, system will help you to decide whether you do the in-house production, material requirement, or inward ODC. And if the item is the P stands for a purchase of the raw material, and you have the option to create a purchase indent. So it's a pretty simple where you don't need to decide your operation, what operation you are doing. For example, this could be a milling or it could be the raw material cutting operation. You don't need to worry about what operation you are doing or what work center is going to work, etc. So once you create the the production order, just save it. So production order 6 is created. So this appears on your dashboard like this. You go into the report progress. Now further to that, the idea here is a pretty simple. It comes like this. Now you see that this is the bottommost one. Now you say you want to start the operation here, right? Because it is saying parent is a 10 number, and based on that raw materials, everything has come, how many quantity to be done. Okay, the bill of material takes a decision of a parent to the child, how much quantity to be done here. So it's pretty simple. If you look at here, the operation is not started. There is no operations defined. Now let us say we start the WIP1 production here. We just click on it here. Once you start the operation, you see the option of a FGR and MRF. Further to that, this is similar to what we did in the regular operation. There is no change in that. If you want to raise the purchase indent, you click on the purchase indent, and you can create a purchase indent directly from here. And this goes into the purchase indent is created. The same condition, similar what we had earlier, is you can do the finished good reporting also directly from here. So once you click the finished good reporting, it takes you to the similar kind of a structure of a finished good reporting. And further to that, any actions, it is similar, like what we defined in the work order. We believe that it's a pretty simple, easy to work, where you don't need to worry about anything. Any transaction you do, for example, if this a green color is already done, that indicates that already purchase indent raised. Okay, try out this feature and see the best of the way to manage your business. This gives a lot of flexibility into you rather than following a stringent process of a work center operation. All this you need not link into it. Okay, if any issues, as usual, call us back. Thanks a lot.